Hi guys, Colin Tracy here, as you know, in Florida Local. We're just doing a few vlogs, aren't we? A few different things. We just thought we'd do a review. We've never in the past bought any
Alexa or Echo
like
or
that.
whatever they call them things.
But we've just bought the Echoes.
We're always late to the party, aren't we? Us.
Well,
We've had other things, haven't we, that we've used and we've been busy with as well. So we thought we'd give it a try. An Echo Dot.
For Generation.
We haven't got a clue what we're doing with it.
No.
So,
but in layman's terms, we'll show you and we'll review it.
Everybody probably already knows all about it because they've all got this.
Well, there's lots of people out, but there'll be people who haven't.
So we don't even know what it's like.
We'll open it up. Let's see what's like.
Here goes. That just broke my nail.
There you go. You can have that.
Oh, nice. Oh, nasty.
Oh. So, in the box.
Ooh, do you get a remote control with this?
Big little ball in it.
Oh, no.
There you go. Instructions.
We need the instructions. We will need the instructions. Hello. So do you say like Alexa blah blah with this one?
I'm sure,
you do,
well, as far as I know, I'm sure we'll find out inside the box. A set of instructions. Yeah, it goes off itself. This looks like a charger.
Or plug.
Charger, plug, whichever.
Power port.
Power port, yeah.
So, plug.
You plug it in. But we also got...
We got the bulb, this light bulb. Now I don't believe that you can use this with that. I think you'd have to have the plug. But Colin thinks not.
No, it's a...
So,
we're
learning.
It's a TP link, which means it's like a Wi-Fi connection. Tapo. Bulb. Dimmable smart light bulb.
You're just reading it off the box.
Of course I am. I don't want to say the wrong thing, but that's what it is. So we'll try that. We'll review that for you with this. And we plugged it all in.
I don't think it's going to work. I think you need a plug, and then you put that into your like lamp.
She have little faith.
The plug that you've plugged your lamp into works with this then.
Watch and be surprised.
I told you.
Who's gonna be correct? Me or Tracy?
Probably you, because you've read all about it.
I haven't read all about it at all.
You have read all about it. He will have done. He will have done. He pretends.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna review this and show you in working order.
Hopefully, anyway.
And if you like it, we'll also leave a link to where we got it from.
Yeah.
In the description. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Shall I open that for you?
You can open that. I just don't want to rip it into
I'll just rip it.
Go for it.
There you go.
So we open this up and see what.
It's easy that
we open this one up as well.
It's nice, isn't it? Hasn't it got
so
a light?
It's nice and neat.
It's got a light on it, hasn't it?
This is a grey one, is it?
It's just broke another nail. I don't believe this. How weak are my nails?
Terrible.
Yeah.
You're going to break your nails if you do
Breaky nails, look. Breaky nails come in useful for something.
That's what this bulb looks like.
It's just going to look the same. See this? Schedule and time and remote control. Blah, 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 blah. No hub required. Oh, so is that what that is? Is that what that's classed as?
Yeah. No hub
things
required.
Things you find out when you read the box. It's just a normal light bulb to me. Taboo, taboo.
We'll see how it works. Also, you can buy sets of these, 4 or more. So you can put them, I suppose, around the house.
I think we're telling people things that they already know.
Well, they probably do. But there's going to be plenty of people like us out there who haven't used this before.
Okay.
There'll be plenty of people who have used it before, I'm sure.
Okay.
Who've used the other generations
of
Alexa.
Next generation.
So,
that's Echo, not Alexa.
Alexa?
No, I'm only kidding.
Echo's off for Generation.
Kidding. How was that?
Anyway, guys.
Like that. Somehow. So
let's plug it in and see what happens.
Let's see what happens, eh? Here, give me this camera. Yeah. You do that. Okay.
nice hole.
Do you want the instructions?
It's got to be that one.
It is.
And we'll plug in.
Okay. Switch on.
It's lighting up now.
Ah,
See, it's blue light.
nice.
You just need to get the instructions.
Okay.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa App runter und folge den Anweisungen. Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa y segui le istruzioni. Hola, el dispositivo está listo para que lo configures.
Hola, Zora.
Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Okay, I've downloaded the app now onto my phone. It opens up with sign in. So you obviously sign into your Amazon account, I would imagine. Yeah.
Oh no. Not that.
Tracy
Oh no.
keeps changing
Oh,
passwords.
I don't even know what it is.
We'll sort it, we'll find out.
We'll come back.
We're not going to show people
No,
the Amazon
yeah.
sign in anyway.
No. Okay, we'll see you in a minute.
Right guys, now I'll put the password and everything in on the phone. It says bring in the device online. Do you want to set up a device? Yes. There you go.
Your Echo is ready.
Oh,
That was simple, wasn't it?
that was easy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, ask it something.
Okay. By proceeding you agree to Amazon's conditions of use. Okay. You've got Echo on the go. Echo audio companion, Echo smart speakers. Anyway. Which device would you like to set up?
Echo Dot.
Okay, Echo Dot plus and more.
You got it there.
Okay, I'm just looking and checking there's nothing else there. Okay. Echo Dot. Is your Echo plugged in? Set mode, yes. Searching for device.
And it's going red on the bottom also, it must be.
Yeah. As you can see there. Connecting your Echo Dot to Wi-Fi. Put it down here guys, so I'm closer to the hub.
Your Echo is ready.
Excellent. Pretty straightforward really, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
That's good.
we've set it up.
Yeah, it's quite easy really, wasn't
Yeah.
it? It's just our
Sorry about
Wi-Fi,
the, yeah.
isn't it? The Wi-Fi in here is a bit dodgy at times.
It's actually should be really good, but
Oh, we've said this before, haven't we? It's bloody awful.
we're being robbed by Virgin. Anyway, we're gonna. That's just put there while we set it up, guys. We're gonna put it somewhere else. We don't know yet, and we're gonna
See if we can do this.
do this light.
bulb.
Nice little bit of Tel-Aviv. Don't you know? Okay, guys, we're now trying to connect the light bulb.
Put the bulb in there.
I'm able to find this
In the
taco
lamp.
device. Hang on. Make sure the taco has local network permission.
You've given that, haven't you?
Yeah.
You have to give permission. It's just trying to find it, isn't it?
Yeah. Now, this is the lamp that won't work, as Tracy said.
The bulb.
The bulb won't work.
Alexa,
Okay.
turn the lamp on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Alexa, dim the light.
What happened then, love?
Okay.
Did that work?
Dim. You missed that.
Oh, sorry.
It's dim. Alexa, dim the lamp.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Oh,
gone
you've
off.
gone off.
We've only got 2 things for it. Dim, dim.
Dim dim.
Dim, dim. Nice bit dim.
So in other words, she went, Alexa, turn lamp on.
Okay.
Here you go.
It doesn't look very bright.
No.
Alexa, turn lamp up.
Okay.
See?
No.
See it goes up.
It was the settings that it was on, that's why it went off.
Yeah.
So,
Alexa, turn lamp off.
Okay.
there you go.
Someone's
Phone
ringing.
going. Hey guys, we'll leave the link in the description where we got this from. We got the bulb and the Alexa in the same place, so we'll show you that and you can decide yourself whether you want to get it or not. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.